You get back to your chicken pen. Go on, go back to your friends. This chicken likes to get out and socialise with humans. Come on, you get back out with your friends. We are all hooked up and ready to leave our daughter's house. Wasn't so cold this morning. Yesterday it was -1. John's got to back the caravan all the way up here and then swing it around and get through there. Hope it fits, Beck.
He said if it takes out the tree or the garden, it's okay.
He says he knows what he's doing.
Isn't that all that thing?
Yes. I don't know, I feel like there's not going to be enough room. Oh, he's going that way.
Yeah, he's going to go out the other day. That's what I thought.
Come on, move it, woman.
And again, John forgot to put the mirrors on the car like he always does. Is he going to make the swing? Oh, I'm so nervous. Here we go.
We're off.
We are actually finally off this time, John.
And it seems like it's taken forever.
We are, 3 weeks late actually leaving properly.
I know, right?
We've had to go back to the Sunshine Coast a couple of times and then back up to Toowoomba. So it's just been...
Yeah, nightmare. It's hot now. It was freezing this morning.
I've actually got shorts on.
Oh, I know I should put shorts on too.
Yeah. First stop is a pub stay. So let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Okay, second boo-boo of the morning. John forgot to put the towing mirrors on, and then I forgot to do the second check of the, the chains.
Always bloody forget something, don't we?
Always. So then John realised he didn't put the... What didn't you put on?
This breakaway.
Oh, the breakaway. Normally I do a second check and I forgot. So here we go now. We're on the New England Highway.
Jeez.
Where'd that person come from?
Can't you see it?
Ah.
What are you doing?
No. So much land down here, isn't there?
Oh, there's so much. It's very vast.
Very fast. Look at that house. I love it. We're driving into a town called Allura. It's near Warwick. We've only got 2 kilometres to go, John.
2 kilometres.
Looks like the cows get let out onto this road, doesn't it?
Shit all over the road, eh? Another sharp one. Like freaking hairpins almost.
Yeah. Well, they're unusual looking
Dirt
roads.
road?
Oh.
I just washed the car yesterday.
Dirt road. Is it, or is it just a dirty
No,
road? Oh, no, we're not going up there. We're going left.
Oh,
Look, turn left. Oh, it's still quite a lot of gravel. Oh, lots of cows.
Oh, this is a bit bloody chewed out this corner. I think I prefer that dirt road.
Hello, more cows.
Yeah.
Okay, our destination's on the left. Look, a go-kart track.
Yeah, one caravan.
There's one caravan there.
Oh, 2.
Okay, so we have to park out the front and see the publican.
God, we're actually in the middle of friggin' like nowhere.
So here we are at Sandy Creek Pub, and look what's in the tree. Open at 11. Okay, so it looks like I can't go and see anybody just yet. Nice outdoor area, beer garden. So we picked a spot right down the back, trying to work it with the sun. So here we are all set up here. And then right behind, this is Sandy Creek Pub, right behind is a go-kart track. And we're only here for a couple of days, so I don't think we're going to be able to see anybody riding, but it would be so cool to be parked here and on a weekend be able to see them do their go-kart meets. So tonight we're just going to have some dinner in the caravan, and then tomorrow night's palmy night. So Thursday night at Sandy Creek, it's palmy night. John's just setting up the... What are you setting up? What are they called? Anti-flap kits and stuff. It's a bit windy here again today. God, it's so windy in this region. You can actually see the trees through the camera.
It still looks like it's nose down.
Well, I tried 3 different spirit levels, and they all say we're perfect.
Just saying, we're getting airbags next. Just saying.
Look, it kind of looks... Maybe it's the awning that makes it look...
The awning's out straight.
But you know, when I'm inside, I feel like I'm walking down towards the front. But the spirit level's 3 different ones,
3 different
John.
ones. Well, they can't lie. Now lock it in there.
Our awning, we haven't had it open for, gee, 6 months, and it's got so dirty underneath.
It's full of water, eh?
Yeah.
We used to do that. I'm so tall.
Oh, you're just so tall. You're 6 foot, no, 7
9,
foot.
remember?
Oh, 6'9".
Yeah, no, don't exaggerate 7 foot. That's way exaggerated.
Oh, you're a deal break.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's a bit dirty. We're going to have to clean our awning. Look. Look at that. That's just when it's...
How does it get dirty like that being rolled up?
I know, it's rolled up
And that's
it's been
right,
sitting in
and
the
that's
backyard.
right in the middle too. And all this other stuff gets put on top of that. So how does that bit get dirty? Because that was spotless.
Yeah, I know. It's weird, isn't it?
Who knows?
John contemplating life. What are you doing?
Let's have a look.
Huh.
What a view.
I know, right?
Let's take the ranger around, see how far we go.
Around the track. This is out my bedroom window.
I was just thinking, I hope the go-karts don't come this way. Because that's a sharp corner, they'll come straight this way.
I'm just hoping they come and ride here today or tomorrow. Be cool. It's the big, what is it, an old Toyota Hiace.
Yeah, I can tell you've been driving again.
Oopsie, honey, I've had a bit of an accident.
Actually, that's parked too good for you.
Shut up. Okay, a few more people have turned up since we've arrived. This fellow was here. These ones. There's a sand pit over there for the kids. Little boat
Yeah, we'll go
for them to
fishing
play
tonight.
on.
Or prawning, let's go prawning tonight.
Yeah. Don't know if there's any water around here, John.
Dingo Piss Creek's not too far away.
Oh, John, don't say that.
You can cut that out.
You know I won't. But anyhow, that's a nice little play area for the kids, right next to the beer garden. Alright, here's the fluffy chickens. It's an ugly looking thing. Looks like it's got a growth on its
I'll
head.
take a photo for Belle. She likes these chickens.
But this one's got a growth on his head, I think, John. See?
Oh, yeah.
Can he actually see? Can you see, chicken?
I don't know.
Chuk, chuk, chuk.
It's odd.
Alrighty. Fluffy chickens. He's a little bit hungry, this one. Oh, oh, look at this black one, John.
Hey?
He's a little bit cute.
Looks like Spike.
Spike's our old dog.
He's sitting in this little can.
I know. I don't know what he's doing in there. So, this looks like a nice little function area. Some fire pits. Bloody need them tonight. What's a black cockatoo? Is there just one?
I don't know.
There's another cage there. Hello.
You talk, mate?
Hello, cocky.
Oh!
Oh, look.
Oh, he's trying to dig himself out.
Hello. What are you up to? Make some. Oh, look at your beautiful red tail.
Hello?
Would you like to talk? What are you trying to do? Hey? Oh, hello. Oh, I'm not putting my fingers anywhere near that beak. You are beautiful though. Hi. Hello. Hello. You're a pretty boy. Are you a pretty boy? What'd you say, John?
They're done there, is it?
They're dunnies.
I don't know, is it?
I don't know. What's this say? Sandy Creek pub. Get a little grunt in your day. Doors to your left if you want to go. I would say that might be a toilet, John. That's cool. Let's see. There's a toilet here. Yeah, toilet facilities. I wonder if there's showers. I'll come in. I don't think anyone's in here. Oh yeah, it's a shower. Oh, another shower. And a toilet. Okay.
That's pretty cool.
2 showers and a toilet.
Yeah.
But how beautiful is this? This is a nice stay.
It is.
What do you reckon, John? Good find?
This is a great find.
I found this one. I bought the Camps Australia book, and I think I got an email from them that every week or so they send an email, and I think I got an email that said to come here. So
This is so cool and quirky.
it is quirky, isn't it? It's
It
just
is.
got a really nice yard. I really like this. Check out the pigs up near the front door. It's not really the front door, it's a side door. Piggy. And they've all got names. Big Wolf, Mischief Maker Mary, Pumbaa, and Loose-lipped Lucy. This is your view across the road from the pub. And the never-ending street. You wouldn't think this was quite busy before. It's in the middle of nowhere. So it's palmy night tomorrow night, and we're going to come and have palmies for dinner. But we thought we might just go and get a bowl of chips tonight. Like it's about 5 o'clock now. But they don't just do like a bowl of chips. So we'll wait for tomorrow night and have our palmy. And yeah, we'll show you on the film. I've lost John. I don't know. Where is he? Where are you? Oh, here he comes.
So will they do chips?
No bowl of chips, Johnny.
No, really?
No bowls of chips. So, I think tonight's pork night. I think. I don't mind pork.
I don't like
because John doesn't like pork, so we're not going to have pork night.
Yeah,
But yeah, no, they.
Tomorrow night.
I think it was the girl told me earlier on it was pork roast. So, yeah, we'll wait for tomorrow night. Get our palmy and go to the caravan, and I'll make you a hot dog for dinner.
Hot dog. Wow.
Yeah.
You notice the nip when the old sun
Sun's
goes
gone
down,
down past those trees. It's
not that bad though. Compared to what it's been like the last couple of nights.
I tell you what, this is technically our first night on our trip, and I'm loving it already.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. What's today? Wednesday. Oh,
Wednesday.
I would normally be at work today. Probably. What time is it?
5 o'clock.
I'd be knocking off now, getting ready to drive home. So, oh dear, do I miss it? Nah. Do I miss my work, mate? Yeah.
You don't miss the traffic on the Bruce Highway?
No, I don't miss driving home in that traffic.
No?
So, no, not at all. Okay. All right, let's go and make hot dogs. Okay, so I've just got out of bed. Can you hear that? Six o'clock in the morning, you hear that? It's cold. It's actually, well, it's cold, but it's like 9 degrees. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, 6 o'clock that started, and boy, it was noisy. It was so noisy. Very nice breeze. We had some more people turn up last night too. Thought I heard some noises during the night, so they turned up. Oh, nobody else. John's still in bed. But that's what holidays is all about, isn't it? Staying in bed for as long as you want. So we're going to go for a drive into Warwick today. It's only, I think if they said 11 minutes away. So we'll go for a drive there, have a little look around. I think there's a central business district walk we can go on.
Something smells freaking good.
I wish we had smell-o-vision again. We're in the town. Holy dooly. Something smells really good.
That church tower, not church tower, the clock tower.
The clock tower. The Uniting Church, and look, it's got these cute little sandstone gates. Oh, that is so cute, John. Let's have a look at this plaque. St Andrew's Church, 1870 to 1970. Remembering Christ our Foundation and fellow workers with him in 100 years. So the church is now 153 years old.
I think the time's a bit wrong.
Oh, what time?
12.
And what time is it really?
It is 10:30.
Yeah, they need to fix the clock. So this is the Warwick Town Hall, built in 1888. And it's got the visitor information centre inside there, and a lovely little souvenir type gift shop, which was nice. And John's just spotted it's got the wrong time on the clock again. Alright, this is Byrnes Monument. It's in the main street, and it's a monument of Thomas Joseph Byrnes, the first Queensland-born Premier. It stands proudly in the main street of Warwick. He was the first native-born Queenslander to hold office. This was erected in 1902. Now this fellow, his life was cut short. He was only in the office for 5 months, and he died at 37 years old in 1898. Across there's the Warwick Post Office. It was built in 1898. grand. Look at this grand dame. This is a St Mary's Catholic Church, built in 1926. We're hoping to go and have a look inside. There we go, look at that. Far out, John. Being up close, it doesn't do us justice, hey?
No, it's so grand.
It's so tall.
Wow. Big.
So I'm going to go from bottom to top. It's still not going to show you how tall it is, but
I think that was a priest just said we can go inside.
yeah, yeah. It is tall. Holy dooly. Come around the corner. Back walking down the main street of Warwick. Come across this building. I can't see a date on that one though, but it's quite magnificent. So this war memorial in Warwick, it's, the memorial and the gates were built in 1923 to 1924. The gates honour 122 local men who died during World War One. They've got these brilliant little monuments here. Can you see the man playing the bugle? All the names on there is the March of the Dungarees, 1915. So here is the police station. It was built in 1901. And here is the Warwick Courthouse, opened in 1886. So designed by John James Clark and built between 1885 and 1914. And here we are back across the road from St Andrew's Uniting Church, and that was originally called St Andrew's Presbyterian Church. So the lady in the Visitor Information Centre gave me the directions to the cemetery, because as you know, John and I like historic cemeteries. Told us to stop at the old dairy precinct and have a cuppa. So I was hoping to have some scones, but it is lunchtime, so we'll see what's in there. Apparently this was the old office building for the dairy, and it was established in 1925, this building. So we've got a reading retreat in a cafe. John boy, John boy. Hello. Hot chockies, and John had to get cream and marshmallows in his. I didn't. I was good.
Nice. Marshmallow? Somewhere there's a bottle of pink one.
Comes in a bowl of chips. Here we go.
Okay, thanks, mate.
Thank you very much. You want to just pour the gravy on the top? Sometimes you find yucky gravies and other times gravies are nice. It's an alright gravy? Or should we just dip it?
It's up to you.
Right.
You try it as well. See what you
Oh,
think.
the chips are hot.
Well, I'm chip over.
Got like chicken flavour to it.
The gravy of the yeah. Good.
Alright. Okay, as you know, John and I love old cemeteries, so we've come out to Warwick Cemetery.
Huge.
As soon as we drove down the street, it was like, wow. So, here's the thing. A few of you said you don't like our cemetery walkthroughs on our travel channel. So if you want to see the walkthrough on this cemetery, head over to our other YouTube channel called Historic Cemeteries Australia, and you'll see all the cemeteries that we come across on this trip. Let's go, John.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we've got to Queen Mary Falls, but hopefully I'm going to be able to show you a little bird in the creek.
I think he's been fed.
It's just landed on our car. Hi. Let's walk it.
15 minutes and I've got the timer on.
I'm sure you have. Speed humps down here.
Oh yeah.
So this track, all right for prams so far, don't you reckon?
Yeah. It's very steep down. It's going to
Yeah.
kill your leg muscles coming back.
Yeah. But it's a nice track, like it's bitumen. Okay, stairs now. So remove that comment we made about prams.
Prams.
Yeah. And the bitumen track's gone as well.
Well, we're looking for a big waterfall. You need a mountain for it to come off, and there's nothing up there. Nothing further up there. Nothing further up. That's it.
There's got to be something else.
Keep going.
Maybe that's it there. Oh, look, John. We'll be right, darling.
Again, you packed too much into one day.
Well, I didn't know this. Well, actually, I didn't. It's just was... John just said I packed too much into one day. But technically I haven't. It was only 3 things. They were just like long things. So which way do we go?
Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
All right. Don't say I don't take you anywhere romantic. Waterfalls. Now, John.
Wow. Look at, wow, we're up high. Wow.
Oh, don't you look down. John's scared of heights too. Maybe I shouldn't have brought him here in the first place.
Okay, there's your waterfall. We found it.
All right.
You like your waterfall?
There's my waterfall.
You happy you found your waterfall?
Yeah, I am.
Now that I've pressed the record button.
John just filmed me and was recording. But I don't know how you're supposed to walk under that waterfall.
No, look, I'll zoom right down.
Zoom right down. That's a rough track down there, and there's a walking track. Yeah, just there.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
Can you see the water, the rainbow?
Yeah, I ain't walking it. Yeah.
That's a long way.
So there you go.
It's a waterfall. Looks
There's
good.
the waterfall.
Love waterfalls, just don't like heights.
And we're not walking down the bottom because that's a long way. So there's
That's it.
Queen Mary Waterfalls, 40 kilometres out of Warwick.
44 kilometres out of Warwick. Nearly 100 kilometres round turn.
To see that.
Yeah. That's
But
all
I
right.
mean, that's all right. That'd be
No,
nice.
it's well worth to see the waterfalls. You've got
It's
to do it.
beautiful.
You've got to do it. No, I'm not far to the top.
There's no speed humps.
Where are those speed humps? Oh, there's
You're
one.
right near one. Be careful.
There's one right here. I don't know if you can see that.
I'll keep walking it.
Yeah. It must be I would say it's to throw the water off the track, but maybe to slow people down a bit. Well, we made it back to the top. Just waiting for the old slow coach. So peaceful here. Quiet. It's well worth a drive out here. Got barbecues, picnic areas, tables, chairs. You coming?
I'm coming.
And an escalator system wouldn't go astray.
Yay!
Yeah, you made it.
I made it.
I've been here, sitting here for like 20
Oh,
minutes.
shut up. Oh, God.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
So Queen Mary Falls, like I said, I think it's Killarney or out of Killarney, but it's well worth it. This picnic area is beautiful. So you could come here, have some morning tea, go for a little walk to the top of the fall where John and I went, and then, I don't know, come and have lunch, have a rest, and do the walk to the bottom of the falls. There was a nice walking track at the bottom, but we didn't do that. But yeah, give it a go. It's very nice.
So we just got up today and they've got the little pigs out. How cute are they? What are little piggies? Oink, 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 oink. Hello, little piggies. Hello, little piggies. You like them?
I love
You
little
take a couple
pigs.
home?
Yeah. If only they stayed that little. Right.
Oh, you're recording, are you?
I am.
Okay, there you go.
So we were going to go back into Warwick tonight.
Oh, I forgot all about that. What time is it? Oh, we could still do it.
We could still do it.
Nah,
No,
stuff
couldn't be
it.
bothered. The St Mary's Cathedral that we went into, St Mary's Church, lights up of a night time, and
Thank Christ you've got a good memory. If it was up to me, I'd be frigging.
yeah, so it lights up. They put all the lights on inside, and when you stand outside, it all shines through the LED light.
LED lights, yeah.
And it's supposed to be quite spectacular. We came back here. We had some. Oh, we went up to the pub, into the pub for dinner. We thought we'd go in at 5.
Didn't start serving till 6.
So we came back.
Well, actually, 6:30 by the
Yeah.
time they got their finger
So
out.
hang on, we went back up at 6, and
Just waited and waited.
sitting there, and the guy said, "Oh, I don't think the cook's started yet."
Mm.
So 6:30 we could order. But in the meantime, there was 2 other couples in there, and who were very lovely to talk to, and we all ended up sitting together at the table. We got our meals at 7:10. What time is it now? 8 o'clock.
Yeah, so if you order a snitty up there.
Yeah, so hang on, no, start again. It's palmy night here.
That's
at
right.
Sandy,
Not a snitty.
it's
Yeah, that's
palmy
right.
night here at Sandy Creek Pub. And they had 4 different style palmies. They had a traditional, an outback, the one that was a hot something, I can't remember. There was four flavours as such. And I thought an outback palmy, which I'm sure I've had an outback palmy before.
We have put an egg on the top.
They have an egg on top. I'm sure I've had one before. And so when I asked him what an outback palmy was, the fellow said it's got mustard and it's got tomato, slices of tomato, and it's got this and that. And I went, oh, no, okay, we'll have traditional palmies. When we sat back down, when we were sitting at the table and the people at the table, they got their meals and it was a snitty, plain. And I said to John, I ordered a palmy, a traditional palmy.
Lovely meals, but...
And I didn't order gravy because I thought we're getting a palmy and, you know, yeah.
No palmy, just a snitty chips.
Snitty and chips, plain snitty chips. So a traditional palmy is actually a snitty.
Apparently so.
You could choose you could choose pork, chicken, or beef as your palmy.
Oh, hang on. Oh. It's late.
But
I'm tired. It's been a big day.
But it was a nice meal and lovely company. We enjoyed ourselves. So, and we've only just come back to the caravan now. So we're not going back into Warwick
No.
to look at the lights. So we're going to leave this video here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, we might stick a little clip. Apparently tomorrow.
Oh, the go-karts are on tomorrow.
Yeah.
See, I remember.
You did.
I'm improving.
So we might tomorrow just put a little clip in if we're still here when the go-karts
Yeah.
come.
Just wish you could hire them.
Yeah. Would be good.
Anyway.
So you may see a clip before you see this part of the video, or you may see some.
I'll stick it in before this bit, I
Yeah,
reckon.
okay. So if we do get to film the go-karts, I'll stick it in just before you see us talking here. So
It's a Friday too tomorrow. It's Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday.
All day tomorrow. Go there. It'll be a Saturday thing.
We don't know how far ahead of our videos they are, but we are. Well, we will be. But it's our grandson Hudson's 4th birthday today. So happy birthday, darling.
Hudson.
We have talked to him already this morning, but happy birthday, baby boy. We miss you. And he's actually in his caravan up at Uluru, Ayers Rock at the moment for his birthday. So,
Yeah, I still say Ayers Rock, eh?
yeah.
I used to Uluru, but... Yeah.
When we rang him this morning, he told us he was at Ayers Rock. But,
Well, those people said Ayers Rock.
yeah. So happy birthday, Dale. Yep. Okay, thank you for watching.
Got in trouble again. All right, thanks, guys, for watching.
See you in the next video. John just got in trouble.
Always.
See ya.